Hello guys, trust you all are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the future of home cleaning. If you are tired of switching between vacuuming and mopping, or worse, dragging out bulky equipment, it is time to meet the SHARK HydroVac WD210UK Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. This is not just another cleaner, this is a smart, powerful and cordless 2-in-1 solution designed for real homes. Busy, messy, whether it is muddy footprint, pet hair, spilled cereal or just everyday grime, the SHARK HydroVac is built to handle it all quickly, efficiently and hygienically. Let's talk performance. With hydro cleaning technology, this machine combines powerful suction and hydro mopping to remove both wet and dry messes in one easy step. That means you are vacuuming and washing your floors at the same time, cutting cleaning time with a 25-minute runtime on a single charge. You have more than enough power to tackle your high traffic areas without any drop in performance. And it's not just about cleaning floors, it's about a fresher home due to odor neutralizing technology. Unpleasant smells like pet odors are dealt with during cleaning, leaving your rooms feeling fresh, not just clean. The antimicrobial brush roll takes that hygiene up a notch by actively preventing bacterial growth between uses. So if you've got pets or kids running around, this cleaner has your back. When it comes to versatility, the SHARK HydroVac really shines. Use hard floor mode for a deep clean on tile, marble or sealed laminate. Your floors will look and feel like new. Or switch to freshing mode to breathe new life into area rugs and floor mats. And because it is cordless, you can move freely from room to room, no cables or sockets slowing you down. The design is just as smart as the tech inside. 2 separate water tanks ensure clean and dirty water never mix. The LED display keeps you updated on battery life, surface type and solution levels, while the LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt so you never miss a spot. And when you are done, just activate self-cleaning mode and the machine will rinse out the brush roll, floor head and internal tubes, making it ready for your next clean. So who is the SHARK HydroVac for? If you are a busy parent, a pet owner or anyone who wants to keep their home spotless with minimal effort, this cleaner is made for you. It is especially great for homes with mixed surfaces, from sealed hard floors to area rugs. The SHARK HydroVac WD210UK isn't just about cleaning. It is about redefining what cleaning should feel like. Faster, smarter and fresher. If you're looking for a cordless hard floor vacuum cleaner that's powerful, hygienic and incredibly convenient, this is the one to beat. Thank you guys.